Hello everyone! I'm coming back again. Today we're gonna show you guys that me and my husband gonna prepare first the yummy, delicious homemade apple pie. My husband is a very good how to cook and make delicious and yummy sweets all the time in the home. Today, first we're gonna prepare, of course, the apple. First, we're gonna peel it and prepare to put in the processor. But first, of course, we're gonna clean it, wash, and after that, we're gonna ready for process in the processor for food. Okay, let's go. We're gonna go start. And guys, ito na. It's done for shred this apple, and we go to the next steps. And guys, after the shredded, we put her in a one pot and in the stove, and we put sugar and cinnamon. And what is the other one? And we keep boiling. And we put the rice. Now guys, we're gonna make and now guys, we put in the one pot, yeah, and then we leave here until it will become finished, and we cover it, and later we take it until it will be done. Guys, it's still boiling. We are still waiting.
Is that normal?
Yeah, now it's normal. And next, butter, baking powder.
Sugar.
And next is sugar.
300 grams.
300 grams. We're gonna put 300 grams of sugar because we love sweet.
Sorry.
It is the recipe. And now is how many grams all? 904 grams. And next is butter. 2 eggs. We're gonna add 2 eggs. My bana will crack it. My bana or my husband or asawa. But my bana is want banana.
No, I didn't.
My bana is want banana. Now we put the egg, and next is butter.
Washing the hands.
And the next is oh my god, we must bring everything in bridges. Gonna stay long. Can you bring my phone here? Now next is butter. How many grams butter? We need 2 butter, 200 grams. Any butter if you like. You can use any butter. But we need only 200 grams of butter. Need more.
yet, but we're gonna use 216. It's okay.
Okay.
And next, the butter we need melt, so we're gonna put in the microwave in a minute. Now, checking for the apple. It's done. Now, apple is done. Only mix this sugar, cinnamon, and rice pudding. Yeah. And now we are gonna waiting for mix this everything, and then we're gonna put together, put in a one tray, and after that we put in the oven. And now the butter is done. Then it's already not so really melt, but it's okay. You can mix it here in the mixer. And what else? Baking powder. And we're gonna use this, guys, a baking powder. May I see this baking powder? This is from Polish store here in Liverpool. We bought this in a Polish store.
Hard to buy baking powder at this time.
Because in other store like Asda in the grocery, we cannot find other baking powder. Is all out of stock all time. Too much people going shopping, so don't have stock. And now we're gonna put it in the professor. Now guys, it's time for putting the baking paper on a tray. We're gonna put here our recipe. And now it's done. This is the flour that we mix with butter, egg, baking powder. And now we're gonna remove it. And it's done, and we're gonna mix it. Here we go. Now guys, look, it's so yummy. It's so good smell. And now it's time you're gonna put here in a tray and spread it, and put this boiling apple with cinnamon, sugar, and rice pudding. Now look at this, guys. It's nice dough with butter, baking powder, and butter. Egg with 2 eggs. Guys, here we go. We finish the dough, and now we put the apple on the top. So good smell. Delicious, delicious. Now we're gonna spread it. It's so nice and smell yummy. But we're not finished. We're gonna put this first in the oven. And guys, here we go. We finish the dough, and now we put the apple on the top. So good smell. Smell delicious, delicious. Now we're gonna spread it. It's so nice and smell yummy. But we're not finished. We're gonna put this first in the oven. Oh my god. And now, guys, look, after that, gonna put on the top. And after this, we put in the oven. Now it's in the oven, and we're gonna wait until finish. How many minutes? 20? First, we're gonna put in a 20 minutes. Minutes with 180 degrees, guys. Look. Now, guys, it's done. It's so hot and very good smell. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And the tummy. It's a very, very, very good smell. I feel hungry. Now it's still hot. Okay, guys. And now, guys, it's done. And now it's time for taste. It's so yummy and delicious. Comment below, guys, if you are interested to know the recipe. And my husband will teach you. Just comment below our video vlogs, and then
we are gonna respond to your comments if you want interested. And now it's time for eating. We're gonna taste this. Thank you guys, and enjoy, and like and subscribe and comment below the video. Thank you. See you soon. God bless.